Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Way to Health. Today we will try to understand one of the most common reasons that why we face difficulties or obstacles during meditation. People often say whenever they sit for meditation they find difficulties to observe their thoughts or paying attention on their breath. Even they cannot sit for 5 minutes. In result, what happens? We get irritated or frustrated and then we quit meditation. So here is one of the most common reason is method or technique. Yes, selection of method or technique is very important. For example, if I ask you to go to any shopping mall for buying clothes, what will you do? You buy all the clothes? No, of course not. You go there, you select one, whichever is best for you, whichever is comfortable for you, you buy that only. So similarly, in meditation also, there are many methods or techniques are available. You need to find out which method or technique is comfortable for you, which method or technique is best for you. So there are n number of method or techniques are available. If you cannot pay attention on your breath for longer period of time, so why you are doing that? Because somebody else is telling you to do so, even if it is not comfortable for you. So here is, try something else which is comfortable for you, even if it's chanting, even if it's sound meditation, static meditation, anything else. So my point here is, you need to look upon like that only. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will practice this simple meditation technique in your everyday life.